In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set out of office in Outlook. We'll walk through this in the web version of Outlook so you can quickly turn on automatic replies and let people know you're away. Start by opening your web browser and heading to your preferred search engine. In the search box, type Outlook and open the official Outlook website from Microsoft. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that so you land in your inbox. Once your mailbox is open, look to the top right corner and click the gear icon to open Settings. This is where Outlook groups all of the controls you'll need. In the panel that appears, locate the Account area. The exact wording can vary slightly depending on updates, but you're looking for the section that includes your account and mail options. Inside there, select Automatic Replies. This is the feature that sends a response for you when you're not available. You'll see a toggle to turn automatic replies on. Click that to enable it. As soon as you switch it on, more options will appear. If you want Outlook to handle this only during a specific period, choose the setting to send replies during a time range. This helps you avoid forgetting to turn it off later. Set your start time for when you'll be away, and then set your end time for when you plan to return. It's a good idea to double-check your time zone in your calendar settings if your schedule spans different regions. Now, write the message that will be sent automatically. Keep it clear and helpful. For example, you could say you're out of the office for a short period and may have limited access to email, and that you'll respond as soon as possible once you return. If it's useful, you can include an alternate contact or a general team address, but keep it concise and professional. You can format the text for readability if you like. Before you finish, glance over any additional options that may appear, such as whether replies go to people inside your organization only, or also to external senders. Choose what fits your situation, then review your dates and message one more time. When everything looks good, click Save. Your automatic replies are now active, and Outlook will handle responses for you based on the schedule you set. When you're back, automatic replies will stop at the end time you chose, or you can return to this same setting to turn them off manually. That's all there is to it.